Hey, what's going on, everybody? Joel Santiago here, service writer here at Charlie Car Care in Elgin. It's Friday, it's busy, and we got work to do.
Today we have a 2016 white Chevy Cruze Limited LT. Today's customer came to us needing a complete intake manifold removal and assembly. We ordered the parts pretty early this morning. Didn't take long before we received them and got to it immediately. Didn't take Leo long to get it out, to get it replaced, and get it to the customer, leaving him satisfied and happy. Come on down, folks. When you're ready, we'll take care of you.